Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the mini mystery box of awesome. I really look forward to this every month because it's a complete mystery what's inside, and oftentimes there isn't a theme. So it's just random products, but I found they've been really useful. So let's see what we got. We always get a little word search, some kind of like little brain teasers. So that's always in there. Here's an advertisement. They have a new snack food subscription box. Sounds really cool. I have not done one of those yet. And let's see what's inside. What in the world is this? Let's see. Happy Night. That's all it says on it. Oh, are they little lights? Oh, that's cute. There's no batteries in it, but it does take 3 batteries. So they're just like little string lights that you can use. And I assume they look like that. Cool. Jackson will love that. He has a little play tent in his room, and he has some basically exactly like this, but they're different shaped ones. We have pumpkins and stuff in there, so I'll give those to him so he can use it to decorate. Huh. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to put that aside for a moment. I'm excited about that. So this is, it says Great Neck on it. It has a little giraffe. Multi-bottle opener. So yep, there's a corkscrew, a little knife, bottle top, and you can put on your keychain. That's pretty useful. I think this is the last one in here, and I know I will get a ton of use out of this. So it's a, is that a double-ended flashlight? That's even better than I thought. Let me see how to turn it on here. Wonder if it needs batteries. Let's see. Yep, so you have to remove these little things first. A lot of products have that, just so you don't waste the battery before you get it. But it's bendable and double-ended. Be perfect for like working on a car or somewhere that's dark. You can rope it around something. That is so cool. And it looks pretty long too. You could straighten it out. It's real flexible. How fun. I love that. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, like I said, it's completely random objects and items every month, but pretty useful. So I will leave all the information below in case you're interested. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.